Hello children, welcome again to the virtual session. So today let us see what are we going to do. We are going to start with a revision session of chapter 4, sorting materials into groups. So let us see what we have done in our previous session. Materials made up of objects made up of so many materials. So why do we need to group objects? Here we have learned, if you have already taken down notes, you need not write, you just go through the video. It is a revision session, children, for you to clear your concepts. Now why do we need to group objects? Because it is convenience to store. We have so many objects around us and we use so many things in a day-to-day life. So convenience to store. We often group objects in order to store similar objects together in order to make locating them easier in the future. Even in our homes, we store spices together in the kitchen while storing washing products in our bathrooms. Also, convenience to study. We also group objects so that it becomes easy for us to study their features as well as the patterns of these features. So, that's why we need to group objects. Then so many objects around us and they are made up of different materials. Here you can see jacket made up of leather. You can see bottle made up of glass. Bottle can be made up of plastic. Ornaments made up of gold. Shoes made up of rubber. Leather, again you can make wallet. Okay, so wall made up of bricks. So different materials are used to make different objects, or one material can be used to make different objects of that one material. So here you can see different things around you and they are made up of different materials. What is a ring made up of? It is made up of gold. What are the bikes made up of? They are made up of metal. What are the jackets made up of? They are made up of leather. What is the bottle made up of? It is made up of glass. What is a table made up of? It is made up of wood. What is a wall made up of? Made up of stone. What is this bracelet made up of? It is made up of silver. What is the hat made up of? It is made up of fur. So you have seen so many different objects made up of different things. Now let us see different objects made from same material. Now you can see over here you have different types of materials and you can make different things of different objects with the different types of materials. Here you can see flowers made up of ceramic. Fabric can be used for different types of clothing. Plastic can be used to make water bottles. You can see metal container, log of wood. You can make different objects with wood. Glass also you can use to prepare different objects. Glass, you have glasswares, you have with window pans, balloon made up of rubber, and you can prepare many other things with rubber. We will see in this session now what else we have. Suppose you have wood. So wood is a material that comes from trees. Wood is cut into different shapes and sizes to make objects such as chairs, tables and doors. So wood can be used to make so many things, so many objects. You can see in the picture wooden table, wooden cupboard, wooden chair. So one material can be used to prepare many other types of objects. Like plastic are man-made materials. They are made using oil that is taken from the underground, so deep underground. So it is man-made, and with out of plastic you can make so many things: plastic spoons, plastic rings, plastic combs, plastic water bottles. Then rubber. Rubber is made using the sap or latex from rubber trees. You have rubber trees, from there you get a sap. So the excretion of from the trunk of the tree is a sap, that is a latex. So rubber tree gives out excretion. It gives that excretion giving out that whatever the excretion is being released is called as sap, and that uh, can be further treated chemically to make rubbers. It is used to make objects such as tires, hoses, boots, and balloons. So you can see over here so many things you can make with the help of rubber. Metals are materials that from under the ground we obtain from under the ground, like iron, steel, aluminum are examples of metals. And you can see over here so many objects can be made out of metal. So you can have bottles, water bottles you can make of metal, keys, spoons, fork, knife, kettle. So many utensils you can make with the help of metals. Then you have fabric. A fabric or textile can be used to make so many type of different types of garments. Can be used to make a different type accessory which we use in a day-to-day life. Towels, tie, bed sheets, shirts. So one fabric which you make, which can be of different materials. It can be silk, it can be wool, it can be cotton, and that fabric can be converted into garment as per our requirements. Glass is made from sand. It is often chosen to make objects because we can see through it. So it's made from sand and glass. You can see through it. Um, it has a property of translucence and transparent. So you can partially see or you can completely see through. That type of glasses you get nowadays. So you have a glass jug, you have a jar, window pans you can make, and marble made up of glass. So a glass can be used to make varieties of objects. Ceramic is a material made from a type of soil called clay. The clay is molded into different shape and then heated to become hard. So now over here ceramic you can make so many things of ceramic jugs, ceramic pedestal, dinner set, marbles. Then you can make ceramic vase and ceramic pottery, and so many things you can prepare out of ceramic. So now over here you have different materials like wood, plastic, paper, metal, fabric. So need to now which of the we need to find which of these things are made up of wood. So you can see over here a ladder made up of wood, bookshelf made up of wood, pencil made up of wood, table made up of wood. So like that you can classify, you can pick up objects made up of same materials, because now you will be able to identify the type of materials which we have learned in the sessions. Okay, so here which of these are made up of metal? Saucepan, then tap, medal, key, and spanner. So you can make out similar objects made up of same materials. Similar object means objects made up of same materials easily, because now you understood the types of material you get and objects you can make out of that materials. Over here again, tap made up of metal, frying pan made up of metal, spanner, nails, key, medal, uh, tin over here, and saucepan. All these are made up of metal. So you can easily make out now. Now sorting of object with same materials, we can easily sort objects with same materials. Which of these things are made up of fabric? So you can easily see and make out a trouser, then jumper, then flag, then hat, teddy bear also you use some kind of fabric. So this material you can make out, and you can pick common objects made up of same materials. uh, these things are made up of fabric. You can see over here. rucksack, hat, teddy, jumper, sleeping bag, t-shirt, pajamas, flag and all these made up of fabric. Now assignment for you, sorting objects made up of same material. So what you have to do, you have already done this assignment. You need not do it again. It is just a revision for you to understand the concepts. And if you have not done this assignment before, you please do it in the revision session. So in this assignment, you just need to list all these objects in your book, and you have to find which of these things are made up of paper. You need not draw this, just list down the names of the objects, and you have to find which are of these things are made up of paper. Then you have to find from this list, make a list again, and find which of these things are made up of plastic. So you can easily do. If you have already done, please don't do. It's a revision session, children. Thank you, children. We will continue with the revision of chapter 4, and I hope your concepts are clear. And if you have taken down, if you already taken down points, you need not write. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.